My name is Connor and I'm one of the design engineers here at Suncast. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install an S-rail onto the lid of your deck box or horizontal shed. Now, even if this is not the lid panel that you have, the process of installing it is universal throughout. So I can show you on this lid panel and you can apply it to whichever product that you have at home. So when we put this in, there's a groove along here that it's going to fit into. And the key thing is the orientation of the S-rail. And you can see there's a long end, a fat end, and kind of a shorter end right here. The shorter end is going to be placed down, while the fatter end is going to come over the top. So to fasten the S-rail to the lid, we're going to start with the ends because that will help us align to do the middle screws. And then we'll come back and we're going to tighten down the very ends. So as I'm pushing this in, I'm pushing and turning, but I'm not going to turn it all the way. It's going to act as a placeholder for now. I'll come to the other end and do the same thing. I'm not going to secure it all the way. I'm just getting it started and it's acting as a placeholder. Now I can work my way with the middle holes, and these ones I can secure all the way since we have those two placeholders. Pushing and turning. It gets easier as you break through the plastic. Now you don't want to over tighten because if you do, you're going to end up stripping out the plastic and it's not going to be as strong of a connection. The last step is to come back to the initial screw and we're going to tighten it down, making sure not to go too far and stripping out the plastic. And then finally, that second screw at the other end of the S-rail,